Welcome to In the Workshop. This is a collection of Stuart model steam engines built by Peter Tarn. This is a very well presented example of a Stuart 7A. It's on the turntable so you can see it in great detail. Very beautifully finished, as are all Peter's engines. In this clip I'm connecting the displacement lubricator, and that's because the lubricator and the steam valve were removed for shipping. This beautiful 7A is part of a collection that's going to be shipped to the USA very shortly. I've been asked to have a look at them to see what they're like just out of curiosity, as well as making a video review. This is a very nicely made engine, no two ways about that. I've built a steam engine or two myself, and take my word for it, to make an engine look like this takes an awful long time and a lot of effort. Bearing in mind that the castings start off quite rough, and the castings are not lost wax castings, these are sand castings, so you can imagine how much work you have to do to make them look like this. The pressure gauge on the inlet valve is quite a nice touch. It's by no means an essential fitting, it just looks good. Anyway, it's time to see how the engine runs. I've connected the air line and I'm opening the air valve. This engine seems to run very well. There's a small amount of run out on the crankshaft, you can see it on the flywheel. I'm just going to check and see if there's any play in the bearings, but everything is fine. There are one or two minor fizzles at the top of the engine, but this is fairly standard and it's nothing to worry about at all. Unlike the previous engine that I reviewed from Peter Tarn, this engine runs very well indeed. I'm removing the fittings because it's going to be shipped to America very shortly. This steam tap fits into the inlet flange with a banjo union for the pressure gauge, and the fitting looks like it's made out of stainless steel, which is the way Stuart used to do it anyway. It's better to have stainless steel inserts that don't snap off. I'll probably make one of these to retrofit to the number 8. That will be much stronger than the weak brass one that was originally fitted. And that's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful.